So, na-update niyo na ba yung Android? So, ito na yung bago ngayon, yung One UI 8.0, yung latest software update ng Samsung Galaxy device built on the foundations of Android 16. Ayan, so na-update na natin. So, titignan natin. So, click lang natin tong start. So, you're all set up and then click lang natin dito yung what's new. Ayan. So, ito na yung mga bago ngayon dito sa One UI 8.0 mga kaibigan. So, marami siyang features and then back lang tayo. Click lang natin dito yung home. Ayan. So, ganun pa rin siya. Ganun pa rin and marami lang talaga siya na nadagdag ng mga features. So, tignan natin dito sa kanyang software update. Click lang natin. Ayan. So, ito siya. So, versions 8.0, Android version 16. Tignan natin yung mga changes niya. Ayan, so marami palang changes dito. So, check stop prices without unlocking, quick share, sticky notes, find download fast, redesign Samsung Internet, scientific calculator in portrait view, enhance split screen view, new reminder interface, new sample reminders, add reminders easily, manage reminders in calendar, add events quickly, running coach, bedtime guidance, running challenges, check your antioxidant intake, food recording reminders, track your vascular load, and dito sa photo and video, swipe up or down to open quick controls, quick access to Galaxy Watch settings, see calls on the screen, improve profile cards, review recorded calls in contact, enhance secure folder, strong account security, show or hide notifications content while locked, page and zoom with assistant menu, control mouse actions with your keyboard, magnify your keyboard, easily for Bluetooth hearing aids, new preset routines, new routine actions, easily organize alarms, enhance app notification settings, and revamp weather visuals. Ayan, so madami pala yung pagbabago dito sa bagong update ng Android 16 mga kaibigan. One UI 8.0 Android 16. Ayan. So, na-update na natin ngayon tong bagong versions ng Android. So, i-update nyo na rin sa inyo guys para makita nyo yung mga changes.